welcome back to my channel, me, Vasu. You are a first time viewer, I request you to consider subscribing to my channel because there is a lot coming here. In today's video, we will discuss about the winter skincare routine. As we are in winter season, our skin becomes dull and dry and we feel it is not lively and glow is missing. So I just wanted to share you all my thoughts about the winter skincare routine. As the seasons are changing the way we are adapting to the climate. In summer, we will not wear thick clothes and in winter, we will not use light-weighted clothes. So the same applies to our skin as well. The first thing I want to discuss is our face cleansers. We got used to the foam on our faces while we do a face wash and we don't feel that if there is no foam, it is not getting cleansed. That's not the case. Things have been changed. So I have shifted from a foaming cleanser to a cream cleanser. I do not prefer using a soap. I stopped using a soap long back to my face. While coming to the body care, I have changed from soaps to body washes. Currently, I am using this Dove Deep Moisturizing Body Wash. So this is something that I prefer in winter. Second thing, because it is winter, we usually tend to take hot water baths. Hot water baths will take away all the moisture on the skin and it will make your skin more dry. So just take warm bath. Rarely if you do a hot shower, that is fine, but do not regularly take hot showers because it is not good to our skin. Keep the moisturizers in the place where you take bath because you still have that steam in that room, right? So make sure that you are not drying your skin completely and you are applying the moisturizer and there on the damp skin so that it will have that moisture. So that comes to the moisturizer. This I used in summer and now using the Cetaphil cream for my winter. Mid of the day, if you are feeling that your face is getting dried up, try to use some facial hydrating mists so that it will just give the instant hydration to your face. Coming to hand care, even if we apply moisturizers after taking bath, even if we cook our hands, the moisturizer will go away. So the best time to apply moisturizer to your hands is at night. So make sure that you are applying a good moisturizing lotion to your hands before you sleep. And in the morning, our routine follows. Coming to foot care, foot cream that I felt which was very good in India was this Apollo Life foot cream. When I wanted to have a foot cream, I used this and it was working pretty good to me and even to my family members. So give a try on this if you have a cracked heel. The small changes that I have done as part of my winter skincare routine. Just try to listen to your skin, what it's saying and what it is asking. Dehydration, dryness, dullness, these are all the common things that we get in winter. So please take care of your skin and your health. Take lots of fruits, vegetables and water. In today's video, I'm going to show you all what changes. So in winter, we will not wear thick clothes and in summer, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, me, Vasu.